$10,000 US per month with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2025. Now, how you can do it? I'm going to be very short, but stick to the points. You know exactly behind the scenes how we super affiliates are having success online. So you see, in 2025 is quite easy and simple. Why I'm saying this? Because you see, there is over 2.6 billion, yes, billion people on Facebook right now as you're listening to my voice watching this video. Okay? All around the world, only on Facebook. They're also on Instagram, YouTube, Google, and TikTok. You see, over 11 billion people on platforms right now as you watch this video, all across the world. Now, there are also over 25,000 employees in US and Canada alone on Facebook. So everyone is working for you, so you can sit at home, open your laptop, connect to Wi-Fi, and run Facebook ads, or run YouTube ads, run TikTok ads, or Google ads. Okay? It's so easy in 2025 because you have already the system there. What you actually need is someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, and show you how to duplicate the same system that is proven to work in 2025, which is not outdated. This is why I don't like courses, because courses tend to be outdated, right? Algorithms are changing, layouts on Facebook are changing, and you have no one to turn to for one-on-one personal hand-holding and support. Exactly. So in 2025, if you want to make 10 grand per month, what you need is an offer that's paying, let's say, $50 to $200 or $300 per day. For example, if your goal is to make $300 per day or $400 per day, then what you need to do, you have a simple website, faceless website. You don't have to show your camera, your face on camera, faceless channel, okay? For example, on TikTok or on Google pay-per-click ads or Facebook ads. One offer, for example, weight loss offer on ClickBank, diabetes offer, a dating offer, or manifestation offer in personal development. All these niches are growing. People are buying, they are junkies, they are buying those personal development, self-help products, the books from Tony Robbins, The Secret, The Law of Attraction, right? All these products, they're buying. Also weight loss supplements, diet pills, keto diet, right? So all these things matter. Now you need to understand who is your audience and what kind of emotional state your audience is in. Are they low emotional state or high emotional state? I know many of the gurus on YouTube are not sharing those secrets with you as I'm doing right now, because it is a secret. It's always sometimes some missing puzzle to success with affiliate marketing online, right? It's not that hard to make 10 grand. You just have to think, you change your mindset shift about it, which means, okay, break it down into chunks. If you want to make $10,000 per month, you have to make around, let's say, $333 per day. Okay, have you ever made $300 in a day? Of course you have. The only thing is, you have to do it consistently. That's the name of the game. Sustainable income. I'm not saying millions per month. I'm talking about simplicity. Keep it really simple. Running one ad from spending 20 to 30 minutes per day on TikTok ads or Facebook ads or Google pay-per-click ads, doesn't matter. Having one product, make one profitable. Make one day $300 per day. Next day you make 300. It's $600 in 2 days, right? But of course it's possible because, as I said before, if you remember, there are 11 billion people searching online. What you need is the right message to the market match. Once you have the right message to the market match, then you're gonna get sales, conversions on ClickBank. Otherwise, there is always a mismatch, right? It's like trying to sell or market delicious, ultra expensive steak for free to the vegan. You can give them discount, you can give them free bonuses. They will not buy the steak. Why? Because it's wrong audience. And then people are thinking, yo, it's scammy, it doesn't work. No, because it's not your fault. Maybe you just bought the wrong course in the past. Maybe you didn't have the right mentor or coach who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way to have these results, to start making money online with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2025. Okay, so what you need is few $100 or a few $1,000, entirely up to you how much you have right now. But make no excuses. People who are fence sitters, who are procrastinating, making excuses, want to wait more months, they're going to be sorry 6 months to a year from now. Because right now, it's so easy to go on Google or Facebook, take a credit card or debit card and start running cheap ads, $5 to $10 to $15 per day, and making back $85, $75 in a day, and then scaling up as you profit. Most people are afraid to run ads because they don't know how to do it. They're afraid. They think, I'm gonna lose money. No, if you're doing it correctly, you are buying data. You're investing in data, getting your audience back, interest level back, and then once you have the buyer's intent, you can make quick money. You can fast forward yourself once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step with affiliate marketing online. So if you have 20 to 30 minutes per day, no matter where in the world you are, if you're watching this video right now and you want to make money with affiliate marketing, do let me know. There's my personal cell phone number. There's my personal WhatsApp number. My Instagram, I'm sharing with you. Thanks to affiliate marketing, I traveled to over 60 countries. And that's why I'm always sharing where I'm traveling all around the world and having fun. And that's the name of the game. Having time freedom to be able to live your dreams, to live your dream lifestyle, traveling all around the world, or just do something on the side for your family. It doesn't matter. Let me know. Let's build personal relationship one-on-one. And if you have any questions about making money online, running ads, affiliate marketing, do let me know after watching this video.